What is going on in Mexico? Rokin Arquitectos and Amasa Estudio created 28 villas for Umara Resort in Mexico, which is integrated into the landscape of the Guadalupe Valley wine region, creating an environmentally responsible space centered towards nature. Sited over 3 hills, with a swimming pool on one of them, and the largest hill having the restaurant sunken into a courtyard, and there's really interesting bulbous shapes around this courtyard. This project is only rendering visuals, so let's watch this space. Baibo's minimalist XYZ lighting collection draws inspiration from the Cartesian coordinates. The studio's aim for the light was to break its design down to the most basic and purest form. I love the visuals, and I absolutely love the Wabi-Sabi inspired environment that they've chosen to exhibit the space. You can see the ikebana, the fireplace, and of course, all the natural materials. Baibo used a triple ring magnet, which means every arm of the light can be moved 360 degrees to create a versatile design. Architecture photography studio Houghton and Crow has captured the chimney of a Maga Bake, a waste-to-energy power station, covered by a ski slope designed by BIG and designed in collaboration with SLA Architects. Why are we talking about a project that was finished in 2019? Good question. Well, as we're heading into winter, I have recently seen this building in ski videos where they're going down doing super cool tricks. So, to end design this week, we're going to have music by my man Malik Augustus play us out to the ski video of this BIG building.
I'm angry, let the stress get the best of me. They be testing me, I tend to be one that festers in the festering. To me they fester and got the nerve to get the police. I think I worry too much about what they think I'm a leak. It's what they think it gets to me. What I'm thinking is too complex for them to understand me. So I know that I'm misunderstood. Makes me question who I am and who I could be when I'm done growing, but I guess we're never done. Even if it's going down to somewhere we ain't never gone. It's somewhere in the world, so let's get hot. It's a cold world. Yeah, it ain't cold as Minnesota. I told you. It ain't summer 15 in the Corolla. If we do it, then we'll run, but what if it's supposed to? We ain't get this far from respect. But what if it's a